This is Euclid Book 7, Proposition number 36, Part 2. Okay. And it says, again, let C not measure D, and let E, the least number measured by C and D, be taken by Euclid Book 7, Proposition number 34. Now, E in this case is going to be 24, and that's because C is 8 and D is 12. Alright, now 8 doesn't measure 12, so that satisfies that condition. Since A and B both measure D, which of course 3 measures 12 and 6 also measures 12, D measures E. Well, 12 does measure 24. Therefore, also A and B measure E. Well, 3 will measure 24 and 6 will measure 24, so that's okay. But C also measures E. Well, 8 does measure 24. Therefore, also A, B, and C measure E. That's all true. I say next that it is also the least that they measure. For if not, A, B, and C will measure some number which is less than E. Let them measure F. Now, we're going to say that F is 18. At this point, this proof starts falling apart. Since A, B, and C measure F, well, 6 measures 18 and 3 does measure 18, but 8 does not measure 18. So that part's falling apart there. Therefore, also A and B measure F. Well, 6 and 3 will both measure 18. Therefore, the least number measured by A and B will also measure F, which is by Euclid Book 7, Proposition number 35. But D is the least number measured by A and B. So, 18 is not the least number measured by 3 and 6. 12 is. Okay? Therefore, D measures F. Now we're saying that 12 is going to measure 18, which of course we already know is impossible. But C also measures F. Now we're saying that 8 is going to measure 18, and we all know that's not going to happen. Therefore, D and C measure F. Now we're saying that both 8 and 12 are going to measure 18, which we all know that's not going to happen. So the least number measured by D and C will also measure F. But E is the least number measured by C and D. 24 is the least number measured by both 8 and 12. We've already established that. Therefore, E measures F. Now we're saying that 24 is going to measure 18. And that's really off. The greater to the less, which is impossible. Therefore, A, B, and C will not measure any number which is less than E. Therefore, E is the least number that is measured by A, B, and C. And that's the proof. Alright, I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.